Baby, what happened?
Boys hit me, called me rat. Uncle Carl told them.
Bitchin', Carl.
You gave as good as you got. V, this thing with you and Kev, is it temporary?
What did he say when you asked him?
Oh, nothing.
All rise. The Circuit Court of Cook County is now in session. The Honorable Judge Rita Gaither is presiding.
Please sit. Case number 2014-CR-882655, the People versus Charles Nevin S. This is the time and place for the sentencing hearing. This court has reviewed your probation report. Does other counsel wish to be heard?
Your Honor, defense would like to reiterate that this is defendant's first arrest. He has never been in trouble before, and that he has an IQ of barely functional intelligence.
Would the defendant like to say anything? Charles?
Chucky.
What?
Would you like to say anything before sentencing?
Okay.
I would, Your Honor. I'm his mom. May I speak? My Chucky is a good boy. The only thing he's ever stolen was my heart. But he was taken advantage of by an older family member. If you're gonna blame anyone, you should blame his Uncle Carl, or the family who raised him. Or me for putting an innocent boy in a den of wolves.
Anything else? Prosecution? Then we can proceed to sentencing. This court hereby sentences you to the minimum of 120 days at the Illinois Department of Corrections Juvenile Justice Division. 60 days for good behavior.
Oh, he'll behave, Your Honor. Right, Chucky? Chucky, nod.
Okay, you're remanded to the custody of the sheriff.
I'll see you before you get on the bus. Don't be scared, baby. It's gonna be okay, Bunny. Remember, be nice to the guards. You have got to be fucking kidding me.
Well, if I didn't know better, I think he's an upstanding young man.
Just like Ted Bundy.
Case number 2014-CR-4929, the People versus Carl Francis G. This is the time and place for the sentencing hearing. The court has reviewed your probation report. Does other counsel wish to be heard?
Your Honor, my client knows that he has made a mistake. He's sorry for what he's done, and he has learned from the experience.
Do you regret what you've done, Carl?
I did something really dumb. I shouldn't have. I trusted a fucking retard with a man's job. Next time I move a bunch of drugs, I'll be smarter.
If you want to go into my chambers and speak to me off the record, now is the time. Otherwise, you will end up in juvenile prison. Is that what you want?
Yes, please.
That's not what I was hoping to hear.
I know what you were hoping to hear. If Your Honor would lose 20 pounds, I would consider tapping that.
I think I've heard enough. I sentence you to the maximum of 1 year at the Illinois Department of Corrections Juvenile Justice Division. You're remanded to the custody of the sheriff. This court is in recess.
Why the fuck did you do that, Carl?
When Paul Sunday came out of juvie, he knew how to make IEDs and where to launder money. You can't buy that kind of education. Plus, my street cred will be off the chain. Don't worry. I'm gonna make juvie my bitch.
We'll send letters.
It's bound to happen sooner or later. He'll be okay.
Okay. Hell, he's gonna be running the joint.
Any chance I'll get scared straight?
Hell no.